is the most scariest thing ever. And I thought my car accident I had in '99 was bad. This was even scarier. And I was right here, and I grabbed a piece of the cheese, and I went to go. My body was like this. Lightning just came right through the window, right through the house. All I saw was that big white lightning just hit me in my arm. I can't remember, but I do remember the hurt at that time. But after that, it drained my body to the point where I just wanted to pass out. I'm like a cat with 9 lives or something, So, I'm here and able to enjoy life, and everything else. And so I consider myself a lucky man.